John Gottman, the leading researcher in terms of how long couples stay together, 69% of all chronic problems, they're not solvable. And it doesn't matter. Why? It's because friendship is more important than conflict resolution. And my goodness, 45 years with Gail, I finally understand that. It doesn't matter whether you have things that irritate each other. If you have enough deposits in your friendship bank, that's what makes the difference. Can you look over at each other and say, when lately have I done affection, admiration? When have I absolutely said, how's your day going? Not just generalized, but very specific. How's your day going because you had an important phone call today? We want to share with you, how do you get that friendship bank really built up? Because when you do, everything else seems minor when there's conflicts. We're offering live virtual couples communication. The workshop is going to be the 4 Saturdays in March. We're going to do it live, and we'll record the session. So if you're unable to join us and you want to make sure that you pick up what you missed, or you did join us and you want to look at it again, it'll be there for you. And you can submit questions to me. Weekly, we'll entertain them and answer those that we can. The workshop is being offered at per couple, not per person, per couple. So the early bird special, $269 per couple. Day of registration, $299. Going to see you in March with your virtual partner, the 6th on a Saturday. Enjoy. See you then.